So it's Father's Day, so I'll be grilling some boiling some lobster. So put some salt and some garlic in there in the pot, boil it, and keep our lobsters in for about 12 minutes. So there we have our, looks like a 1.5 pound lobster. So we'll be boiling those lobsters for 12 minutes. Father's Day weekend 2024. Cooking the lobsters. So the lobsters have been cooking about 12 to 14 minutes, and it looks like they're about done. So they're looking good here on this outdoor grill on Father's Day weekend. Okay, so there are our 1.5 pound to 2 pound lobster, our picking claws and crackers, and we're just letting those lobster cool now here on our outside dining deck. 2024 Father's Day. So this is the new ice cube maker. You pour 1 bottle of spring water in there, it'll start moving and make ice. Set the cubes to small and large and you're all set.